Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. It's day one of the 5-day ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships being held at the National Stadium. Our reporter Jerome Foster is on location.
Thank you, Giovanni. You join us here at the National Stadium in cloudy conditions for the 113th staging of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Track and Field Championships at the National Stadium. Well, action started with the Class 3 Girls 1500 meters, and the fastest qualifier in the morning session was Alike Reynolds of Alphonsus Davis. She logged 4 minutes 58.09 seconds in Heat 2. For the boys, Moses Johnson of Edwin Allen, he led the way with 4 minutes 33.35 seconds. It got faster in Class 2 as the pair of Nahashon Ruto with 4 minutes 14.85 and Brian Kiproff 4 minutes 18.05 of Kingston College, the African duo, they led the way in Class 2.
Into the grandstand straight away. It's Nahashon Ruto of KC, Little Kenyan in Kingston, racing Raquelme Johnson of Belfield. They're both moving quickly but still under control. And it looks like Ruto wants to show Johnson who's boss here in this qualifying race. Two would be sure to qualify, but Ruto makes sure he crosses the line first. That last lap.
And Kingston College had more success in the boys' Class 1 1500 meters. Ethan Giocco, he led the way with 4 minutes 11.05 seconds to top all qualifiers in the morning session. Also this morning, the fastest girl this season in the Class 3 400 meters, that's Brianna Brown of Excelsior. She clocked 56.84 seconds to qualify.
The gas pedal and cruises into the home stretch, a 20-meter gap behind her, and the corporate area champion is looking to deliver big points for the Lady Eagles as they push for their quest for a top 5 finish.
The first Excelsior quarter-mile king, Garth Case, wore dark glasses that championed in the 1970s.
But as much as she was the favorite coming in, her time was bettered by Natasha Fletcher of Hydel High with 56.29 seconds.
On the outside, but Fletcher knows what she needs to do. She's businesslike and still pumping somewhat is Nastasia Fletcher, pulling away from Brianna Wedwood of St. Jago, and safely through is Fletcher, 56.25.
Those were the top performers on the track this morning. The 100 meters for all classes will take place this afternoon, where we'll see the likes of Boaji Nkrumah and Serena Cole. Until then, join us again at the National Stadium. I am Jerome Foster reporting for your Midday Sports.
All right, thank you so much, Jerome. And of course, you can continue watching the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships on TVJ. And we end with cricket as sent into bat, the West Indies were 163 for 8 after 15 overs against South Africa in the third and deciding T20 International at the Wanderers Stadium in Johannesburg. Nicholas Puran has so far top scored with 41, while Jamaica's Brandon King made 36. Another Jamaican and captain Rovman Powell could only make 11. The series is locked at 1 apiece. And that's all the time we have for your midday sports. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Giovanni. And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.